In this video, I'm going to show you how to build AI-powered workflow systems using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like "Create a workflow system for this process." Then, include details such as tasks, steps, rules, and desired automation. DeepSeek will generate a complete workflow structure with step-by-step instructions, task assignments, notifications, and integrations. You can also ask it to optimize efficiency, add conditional logic, or create multiple variations for different teams or projects. If needed, DeepSeek can suggest software integrations, automated reminders, or reporting features to streamline your process. Once the workflow is ready, implement it using your project management tool or automation platform. So that's it.